Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Bgmi and going straight to the Edit Name field. Don't waste time on menus you already know. Once there, you need a character that looks like a space, but is accepted by the game. Copy a zero-width space or similar special character to your clipboard. Make sure to keep a simple backup name ready in case the game rejects the change. This prevents lockouts. Now you're set to begin inserting the special character precisely where you want the gap. You tap the name field and position the cursor exactly where you want the visible gap to appear. Then paste the zero-width or chosen special character between letters. This creates a visual space without adding a normal space that Bgmi blocks. Once pasted, inspect the name carefully to confirm the gap looks correct across different letters. Some fonts alter spacing. If it appears uneven, move the cursor and paste an additional character or remove one until the visual balance is right. You now save the new name and watch for any rejection messages. Bgmi may block changes for other reasons, so read the prompt. If the name is rejected, try a different zero-width character or reduce the number of inserted characters. Sometimes one is enough. Once done, make sure to restart Bgmi and clear cache if the change doesn't apply. This forces the client to refresh. If problems persist, switch to your backup name and retry the process later when servers are stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.